501. Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm doing an actual 5-minute makeup, how to look good in 5 minutes. I see a lot of these videos and I like watching them, but they're always like 15-20 minutes long and I'm like, no, actual 5 minutes. I want to see how you do this. So I have my timer on my phone and my little stopwatch, and I'm actually going to do this in 5 minutes. This is how I do it in real life. Like, this is all the makeup I use, and I'm always just like in a rush in the mornings. I don't have time to sit there and do my makeup for an hour. So here is how you can look good in 5 minutes. Starting clock. Woo. Okay, I'm gonna take my IT Cosmetics CC cream and a beauty blender. I use a dry beauty blender because I don't want to mess up my sunscreen underneath it, because if it's wet, it's gonna ruin the efficacy of the sunscreen. I don't want to do that. I use that and I just pat it. Pat, 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 pat. I don't really use that much. I kind of like spot use it. But you just have to be quick, I guess. Blend. And a little bit on my forehead. I kind of avoid certain areas. Like when I can't put any foundation on my nose. And yeah, my nose gets red, so I probably should. Like sometimes I'll do just on the bridge, but it always gets so obvious and goes in my pores. Okay, we don't have time to talk. Next step, I always love to do eyebrows like randomly in the middle. I'm using my NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I use the color black, and I didn't ever think that black would be a good color for me to use. But my eyebrows are basically black. Like they're very, very, very dark brown, and all the other brown ones that I was using is just a mess. Like it just didn't look good. Because I'd have to fill so much just to get some color. So with the black, I get to push down, not like less hard, and so I'm using less product and getting a better color match for me. I'm gonna set my brows with the Glossier Boy Brow. And like we're legit winging it. Like I don't know what I'm gonna get done today. I'm like actually going by this 5-minute thing. Concealer, I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the color Custard, which is not a perfect match for me, but still works. I mentioned in my makeup declutter that I don't love this concealer like a lot of people on YouTube do, especially for under eyes, but it's not really an under eye concealer. But like for me, if I buy a concealer, I'm willing to pay because it's one of the products I use the most, and it better cover everything. I don't want to have to like, yeah, no, it's got to cover everything. That's like a rule for me. I think there are too many good products out there to get one concealer for this and one concealer for that. Like just simplify it, boo-boo. I ain't got time for this. I'm actually kind of stressing out. 2:10. Ah, I think I'll be done in time. Okay. Hurry. Next, I'm taking my Glossier Cloud Paint in Dusk, and this is just a nice cream blush. Just gives my face a little bit of color. It makes me look less dead. I like this because I don't need any tools for it. Quickly just pat it in to the skin, blend it out. I start at the bottom of my cheekbones. I mean, this can be messy, dude. It's 5-minute makeup, and at the end of the day, you look good. You look put together without having tried too hard, which is always a plus. I really don't like taking too much time in the mornings to do my makeup, because I have other things to do, and I'm sure anybody who works can relate to that. Okay, I'm gonna do highlighter next. I'm using the Cargo highlighter. I'll name everything I used in the description. This doesn't actually have a name on it, and it was a gift with purchase. But I just take that and dab it on my cheekbones. See, this is all like really quick. I mean like if you need 6 minutes, like cool. Usually I'll take 10 to do this, but I've been so late, running so late lately for everything that I just do it all at once. Next, I'm gonna do mascara, curl my lashes. Uemura eyelash curler, which I absolutely adore. And I'm using the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. I used to wear eyeliner every single day, and I just don't do that anymore. I just feel like I don't have the I don't want to put in the effort, but I actually really like the look of mascara. I used to never wear mascara, ever. And I used to wear eyeliner every single day, just wing liner without mascara. But you know, I really like the look of just some natural mascara. Oh my God, I have 30 seconds. I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier pressed powder, or loose powder, sorry, translucent powder. And I literally just powder my T-zone. That's it, just the T-zone. Because I don't wanna be too shiny, but we still don't mind shine. I have 10 seconds and I'm gonna put on some lipstick. Boom! 5:01. Well, there you go. There's my finished look. The only thing I didn't get to was some lip liner, but that's not really necessary sometimes, especially if you're running late. You're not going to be like lining your lips. If I keep looking in the viewfinder, sorry, it's because I feel like I'm out of focus. But there it is, my 5-minute look. It actually took 5 minutes. Just some blush, a little highlighter, just a little something something to make your complexion look alive and awake and ready to take on the day. So thank you so much for watching. Please request any videos you'd like to see from me and subscribe if you haven't already. I mean, come on. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day. Bye, everybody.